Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we'll be discussing about how you can get startup events for free. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so first you obviously have to open Chrome or any other browser which you prefer. You can also use mobile device if you want to, and there are some apps which I will be linking down below so that you get to use them if you don't want to use the browser. Okay, so first we'll be typing in startup events in Mumbai. Now here is the Google's version wherein it shows you the events. So what you can do is click on search more events, and now it shows you a complete list of it. Now there are some filters as well which you can select. For example, if you want to search for today's event, tomorrow's event, this week's event, search. So these are the some criteria which you select. So what I can do is I can select this month. One problem is it doesn't sort in a particular manner, it just sorts it in random. So this is one major drawback of it. So I would suggest that just go through all of it. So if you find something interesting and find a particular date which suits you, then select it. Now let's search for events. So here are a list of events you can attend, or the one you can attend which you think is good enough for me, or the skills you want to acquire. So how to build great products, build in blockchain. So this is not for me. Entrepreneurs Connect 8th edition. Okay, so yeah, this one looks nice and I want to attend this one. So here is a list of the details about the event. So it also shows you the location of the event. You can just click on it, and now it takes you to Google Maps, and now you can search for different places. Like you can get direction, you can send it to the phone as well. So this is a typical map location. You can select that, and it shows you some details about it here as well. It says that it's Saturday on 23rd, and the location and the details. So it is from event site. So you have the town script as well. So what you can do is you can just click on any of the two or both of them. Now the reason I'm saying both of them is there is a particular reason about it. So on some site the events are paid, and on some site events is free. So how to know that this event is free or this event is paid? Well, you have to search the web, as your Indian consumer says, surf before you swipe. So I apply that and I get events for free. So this is an event detail about details about the event on TownScript website. You can search the web directly over here, or you can go through Google. So here is it. It shows you about the details of the event. So if you are interested in, just go and search for it, and you can click on the tickets event, and you can just click on book now, and it will take you to the booking page. So if the event is free, it will show you it's free, and now here it shows that it is for 500 rupees. Okay, so we get the idea, right? And it shows you 0. Well, just select one and it shows 500. Now we'll be going to the entrepreneur website or events high website. Here it also shows that it's 500. So here were the two details about the event. Both the sites show that it's 500, so you have to pay 500. But the topic here is how to get events for free. So we'll be looking for the free events. Okay, so if I want to search for entrepreneurs are not made, not born, not made, they are made. Okay, so here is the all the details we previously talked about, and now we'll be searching for TownScript, Eventbrite, and all the events. So just close these previous tabs, just leave it, and this as well. Okay, now we'll be clicking on more info. So these are the three sites where it shows, as I told you previously, the details about the events. Just click on book now, it just loads up. Okay, so here it says free, so you can directly book over here as well. You can book it for here, you can book it here as well, or you can book it here as well. Okay, so yeah, it's free as well. So if the events are free, it's free. If the events are not free, it's not free. Now you might be saying that then I can directly search for it, right? But there is a special case about it. Okay, so let me tell you how. Okay, so let's go to eachai.in. Okay, so this is a website which hosts events for itself, and you have, if you want to attend those events, you have to buy a fee the annual pass, which is of 2000 rupees plus 18% GST. So it might cost you around 2360 rupees if you want to attend those events. But it is not necessary to buy this pass because you can get those events for free. Now let me tell you how. So if you want to buy that pass, you can attend all these events in all of these cities. But if you stay in one particular city, you don't need to buy it. So for example, November 30 is an event in Mumbai, which is going to take place. So we'll be searching for events on 30th November. So let's search. What was the name of Startup Growth Networking Meetup? Okay, so here it is on 30th November. Now, as I told you that you have to buy those tickets if you want to attend those events from Meetup, from the eChai. So you'll be searching for eventbrite.com. So this is the one of my favorite sites which I use and book the events. So I want to go out on this month and in anything in Mumbai, Maharashtra, and I am up for business. So we'll be selecting business. Okay, so yeah, and now we just click go. Okay, so let it search, let it do its thing, and we want to search for 30th November, right? Some reason it isn't showing up, but the benefit is if you search it on Eventbrite, the tickets for those eChai events is free. I'm not kidding. You might think that I have got out of my mind, but no, as I told you, it's not free. And if you don't believe me, I will just go on tickets over here. And as I previously showed you that the events are not free from the eChai, but I am here attending those events for free. So let me tell you how. So this was an event from the eChai, right? And fundraising for startups. If I just click on it, it will show you that this event has been brought to you by eChai. So here it is, by eChai Mumbai Network. But as I told you, if you want to attend those events, you have to buy those tickets. So here, without paying as well, I went in for the event and made some good connections, and I knew a good amount of people, and then I made connections with them on LinkedIn. This was a very important event about fundraising, so it helped me connect with those venture capitalists and angel investors. So yeah, this is the one way where you can go for free events without paying a dime. And I think if you pay a little money, then the experience you get is quite good as well, because I went in an event from this website Townscript, and it costed me around 168 rupees. The price was around 300 rupees, but because someone sent the link and the coupon code as well, so I got a 50% discount. And that event, oh my god, it was a 2-day event, and it was like my brain was completely washed. It was the first time I went in a corporate building, and oh my god, it was just another level. So yeah, sometimes you go it for free, sometimes you can go in for by paying money. So yeah, definitely attend those events, and if you want to make some huge connections and grow your startup or raise some amounts of fund, then definitely go attend those events. And that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, and thanks for watching.